Oi, so I love Pixar movies, especially the stories. They are great. But how is a Pixar story built? Games often lack a good story, and most of the time these stories look like each other. The reason, I guess, is that people who are into game design often are not very good storytellers. And I want to change that a little bit. Okay, and maybe it's for a lot of games more simple to tell just a basic story. I agree on that, but not for all games. And I want to share a few tips with you. A few. So I will make a few videos about Pixar storytelling on this channel. So maybe you have heard of the Pixar formula, and probably you have heard of one tip, and that is: once upon a time there was every day blah 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 until blah blah blah, because of that blah blah blah, because of that blah blah blah, until. Yes, this is the most famous tip, and Super Carlin Brothers made a video about this. But there are more rules. There are 22 Pixar rules to storytelling. And I wanted to talk about all of them. So I did a little bit research, and I'm going to talk about all of them. But first, you must know where the 22 rules come from. Well, once upon a time, there was a person who loved making storyboard art. One day, she got hired at Pixar. Because of that, she learned about storytelling from the directors. Because of that, she started tweeting tips about storytelling, until finally, after 22 tweets, her last tip was out. These tweets are now Pixar's 22 rules of story. And my coach, the person who sent these tweets, just sent these little tweets as little tips for storytelling or as conversation starters. She wanted to let people think more about storytelling, just like I want to do that. These are not real rules. They are especially not the end-all be-all. Keep that in mind. I will go over the tips and explain each tip a little bit. I will not make 22 videos. I will cram more tips in one video. I'm not mad. My channel is not about storytelling. It's about making games and programs. So if you want to see those few videos, or you want just to see more about games and programming, or you want to make a game with a good story, just subscribe maybe. And if you like that I'm going to talk about storytelling, you give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. If I get too much dislikes, maybe I will do them. You cannot hold me. I just will do them. Thanks for watching, actually. And until the next video,